show you the new Aquamatic COOLBOX. This is kind of a neat little tool for environmental sampling. Specifically, a lot of times you'll have a non-maintained site over the weekend. This setup allows you to maintain a sampler over an extended period of time and no ice. So this is the ABS COOLBOX. Let's see if I can drop some stuff all over the place here. Sampler container lifts out. And you have the integrated freezing units. So what you do is go ahead and freeze these in advance, and then drop them into the insulated box. Drop your sampler container in, open the lid, and retain this for later. Line up the alignment latch. This is a one-piece seal, and it allows for a really good tight fit. And you grab your Aquamatic piece up. You're ready to go. And with the integrated carry handles, very easy to maneuver and turn around. So what we're going to do is go ahead and pop the back off. The way they designed this is very thoughtful. Everything is stainless steel latched, so it is durable and easy to maintain instead of a bunch of fasteners you have to remove. So we're going to go ahead and place the battery. Also makes for a super fast operation. If your hands work, that is. Alright, so there we are. Got the battery. Now here's where the temperature probe, so if you have an optional temperature probe or an auxiliary control, those would be enabled. This is the mains power for charging it externally or running it off of mains power. You also have the auxiliary signal cable, which we're going to use on this one because this one is going to be hooked up to a sampler controller. And we're going to run this off of a flow meter. So what's fantastic is these all have alignment pins, so it's very, very easy to go ahead and hook this up in the field. Provides a really nice weather-tight seal for the sample. All ready to go. This particular unit is designed to be out of doors. So this is a weather-resistant cabinet. The controller, of course, with the inner buttons. This is a desiccant indicator. It's very handy. When this goes pink, it tells you that, hey, there's an issue going on inside the unit. You've gotten some water in it. I don't run across this very often, but it does happen. So it's just nice to have this in there. It was a neat value add by this particular company. Another thing that Aquamatic did that's very nice is that they provide a thumb-screwed clamp, which is different from a lot of the other manufacturers. So this one's very, very easy to take on and off. If you get, for some reason, a blockage in it, you can pull this off and take care of it in the field with no tooling, which is very, very nice. The main feature of this unit is that it's a 500 ml acrylic chamber that is a sampler. In order to service this, again, thoughtfully laid out fasteners, and then this whole unit simply removes. So it's very, very easy to clean. Again, no tooling required, which is very, very handy if you're in the field. This is the bottom of the sampler. You have your control rods as well as your emergency stop rod. Again, all this being done through vacuum. The vacuum connection is done right off the top. You'll see there the control points as well as the vacuum. The O-rings on these things last forever. I don't even know what type of material they're using for that, but it is long lasting. Got one of these in the field that's been doing it for about 10 years and absolutely zero failures. So programming it is done all through the keypad. It also will provide outputs, and in case that you would need to have a PLC hooked up to this, it has that as well as serial control. So anyway, that's a quick overview of the Aquamatic P2 COOLBOX. The basic sampler head itself is common to all of the Aquamatic lines, with a little bit of difference, but this same unit carries across everything that Aquamatic makes, which is really handy if you're going from a portable unit to a COOLBOX unit like this, and then also their stationary units. In our next video, I'll show you the P2 Compact, which is designed for easy transport. You can do it for remote site studies, etc. This is the P2 COOLBOX from Aquamatic, and just wanted to show you a quick overview of what made this unit so unique. The cooling unit itself is probably the most fascinating thing that I've seen in terms of field service. You can pull these liners in and out, transport them from your facility to the field and back. Just super simple unit to use. Thanks for watching this video about the P2 COOLBOX, and please check the link below for a list of all the products that Lower 48 Instruments has. Again, subscribe, like if you want to see more. Thanks.